says, my attitude out of control. Tell me what to do, Mr. General. Would you make me a boss? Pretty please, let me ease your mind. Look at me, can you breathe? I could give you life.